Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about Jada Toys, which is 1 is to 32 scale. It's a Scooby-Doo mystery van. The box itself has an amazing design and has a cool doodle. So before we dwell into the detail, let's unbox it. It seems to be easy, but it took a little effort to get it out of the box due to the lots of tape. Then you have to unscrew it to take the van out of the box. Wow, it's a decent looking cool van. Look at those headlights and the wheels, which have a cute flower design. The front looks great. There are no movable parts. The attention to the detail is astounding, and it's a solidly built. The design has a mystery machine written on the sides. I love the wheel design, which comes with a combination of yellow and orange, and the wheel moves smoothly. We will get to that later. I thought it was a pullback, but it's not. It has a rubber tires, a metal body, and the plastic base. I was worried about the chrome bumper, and it felt like it could come out. The interior is black and has a good detailing. All over, I like it. There were other versions that came in Hot Wheels and in Monster Jam, and there are monster truck too. So here are the images. All over, it rolls smoothly. Looking at this van took me back to my school memories and the show I used to watch. Those days were nostalgic. I love the Scooby-Doo series. So my review about the Jada Toys mystery van is that it's a sturdy looking diecast van with its well-made chassis and design all over. I'm really impressed with the detail. It's a fantastic collectible for fans of the iconic cartoon series. So let me know which brand you own, whether it's a Hot Wheels or the Jada Toys. Leave a comment. So that's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.